Hello, my name is Shaima. So today I will be teaching you how to do this kitchen cabinet. Okay, first you can go to base cabinet and then drag double door cabinet, and then you go to corner base cabinet. You scroll down a bit and then you choose pentagonal cabinet and drag it over here. Okay, and then you go to D1, change it to 18 because usually the standard size for panel is 18 mm. Once done, you can install countertop. Click countertop installation. Make sure all the top cabinet is selected and it has blue line on it. You can choose the style and type for the skirting. You can choose the material also. Okay, and then you click generate. Okay, done. You can also do trim, skirting. Click base trim installation. Make sure all the base panel is selected. Choose the type or style for the skirting. And choose the material also. You can choose anything you want. Click OK. Kitchen cabinet is done. Thank you for watching.